Let us use the extrude feature to remove material. In order to do that, click on extrude, select the plane where you want the sketch to be created, select the sketch feature. I'm going to select the circle and I'm going to type it as 2 mm as the diameter. Once it's satisfactory, click on finish. You can change the direction of the feature by flipping the direction. You can also change the distance as shown below. So I've changed it to 25 mm. You can change it even further, let's say 10 mm. And as you can see, the feature has been created. Click OK to exit the extrude feature.